Lesson 5 Perimeter and Area. Perimeter. The word perimeter comes from two Greek words, peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, it is found by adding the lengths of all the sides of a closed plane figure. For example, now we know the perimeter is the distance that goes around an object or a closed figure. That is, the path travelled by an ant is the boundary of the rectangular figure. Now, consider the length of the table 3 meter and the breadth of the table 1 meter. Calculate the distance travelled by the ant to complete one turn. Here, the distance travelled by the ant is equal to perimeter of the table. To find the perimeter, we should add the measurements of the all sides of the table. So, we would add 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 8 meter. Therefore, we conclude the distance travelled by the ant is 8 meter. Today, we will learn how to find perimeter of the polygons triangle, rectangle and square using formulas. Let's start with a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, side A, side B and side C. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the lengths of its sides. Thus, perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Let's find a perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions P is equal to 7 meter, Q is equal to 8 meter and R is equal to 10 meter. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of the length of its sides. Which is equal to P plus Q plus R. That is 7 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 25 meter. Thus, perimeter of the triangle is equal to 25 meter. Now, let us look the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We have already learned that a rectangle has 4 sides. Also, its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth, which is equal to 2L plus 2B, where L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth, which is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now, let's find the perimeter of a rectangle having the dimensions L is equal to 18 km and B is equal to 12 km. Using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 18 plus 12, which is equal to 2 into 30, which is equal to 60 km. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 60 km. Or, using the formula, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2B, which is equal to 2 into 18 plus 2 into 12, which is equal to 36 plus 24, which is equal to 60 km. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 60 km. Finally, let's look the perimeter of the square. We know the length of the four sides of a square are the same. Thus, the perimeter of a square can be calculated by adding all the four sides of a square. Thus, perimeter of a square is equal to S plus S plus S plus S, which is equal to 4 into length of a side or 4 into S. For example, find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 cm. Perimeter is equal to 4 into length of a side, which is equal to 4 into 10, which is equal to 40 cm. Thus, perimeter of the square is equal to 40 cm. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.